Everybody's heard about hyaluronic acid. Yes, it is the kid on the block that everybody knows about. But did you know there's a secret ingredient that can outperform it? Yes, for us women over 50, this was practically made for us. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what that secret ingredient is and why you should be incorporating it into your everyday skincare routine. As we age, our skin naturally loses moisture, elasticity, and that radiant glow that we used to have in our 20s and 30s. Add menopause to the mix and our collagen is diving off of a cliff. What we need is something that is going to not only help with hydration, but also supercharge the products that we're already using. It's going to help lock in the moisture. Now, we've heard of hyaluronic acid and we know what it does. It helps with moisture levels, but oftentimes it can leave our skin feeling a little dehydrated, and it can evaporate if we're not using the right type at the right time. And while it's been an absolute go-to in our anti-aging skincare routine, there's an ingredient that we're actually missing out on. Today, I'm breaking down polyglutamic acid. Now, this is one from the Inky list. It doesn't get more affordable than the Inky list. Simple ingredients that perform. Polyglutamic acid, or PGA, which is easier to say, is a humectant derived from soybeans. It's completely vegan and it's very safe. It is suitable for every single skin type. So no matter what your skin concern, no matter what your age, this little powerhouse serum is absolutely perfect for your skincare routine. Now, if you don't know your skin type, remember I have a skincare Bible. I'm going to link it for you below. It's absolutely jam-packed with every bit of information that you could possibly need. It's available now from my website. It's linked below. Now on to polyglutamic acid. Its main job is to hold water into the skin. It sits on the surface of the skin, stopping any moisture loss and locks in hydration. The bonus about this product is it actually forms a breathable layer. It's like a breathable film that actually smooths fine lines and helps boost elasticity. It's a fabulous little product that you probably didn't even know existed. So let's break down polyglutamic acid compared to hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its own weight in water. Polyglutamic acid 5,000 times its weight in water. It really is so powerful. Hyaluronic acid's molecular size, however, can penetrate a little bit deeper, whereas polyglutamic acid's molecular size sits on the surface. That's why it's so good at trapping in all your products and the moisture within our skin. Hyaluronic acid can feel lightweight, but sometimes sticky on the skin, and it can evaporate. Polyglutamic acid actually feels like a silky smooth serum or even a primer. It's absolutely delicious on the skin and there's no sticky residue. It creates a smoothing barrier and it's perfect under makeup or ending your nighttime routine, even sealing in your tretinoin. Hyaluronic acid can give the skin a plumping effect, although that's a temporary effect, whereas polyglutamic acid boosts hyaluronic acid's properties whilst also smoothing fine lines and helping with elasticity. Now, the Inky List polyglutamic acid is just that. It doesn't contain anything else. It is just the ingredient that you need to add and incorporate into your skincare routine. There are others on the market, but I'm showing you this one because it's less than $15. It works. It does the thing that we want it to do, which is to trap in moisture, create a hydration lock, and seal in the rest of our skincare. It's so easy to use. It comes out beautifully. I'm going to show you. So it looks like a typical serum, and it rubs in to a silky film. It's so gorgeous. Now, there is a slight fragrance, but it's nothing horrible. It's something that you can live with. It's not going to affect any allergies or anything like that. It is simply the ingredient. It hasn't got any fragrance, if you like. It's not an added fragrance, is what I'm trying to say. Now, I've opted for this one because it's so affordable. It's $15. There's another one by the brand Prequel, and there's another one by Cetaphil. I'm going to link them for you. The Cetaphil one I think is fabulous too. It's got other ingredients combined with the polyglutamic acid. But if you just wanted something that is suitable for everyone, that is super affordable, that just slips into your skincare routine, acts as a sealant, a barrier, a hydration booster, then this is the one I would go for. It acts as a perfect base for your makeup and it's suitable for every skin types. So why is it ideal for women over 50? Well, our skin becomes thinner, it's dehydrated, we lack the moisture boost that we need, and it starts to look dull. Hydration really goes a long way to making the skin look glowy. So if we can lock in that hydration with polyglutamic acid, then we're going to get our glow back, and that is something that I adore. I love feeling like I've got a bit of radiance, a little bit of glow. I don't want to look dehydrated. PGA not only adds hydration, it seals it in, so it's doing two mechanisms at once, whereas hyaluronic acid does help with hydration, but it is prone to evaporation, which kind of defeats the object, especially if you are finding that your skin is feeling dry after applying hyaluronic acid. Plus, PGA, polyglutamic acid, can also boost your existing hydrating products, such as hyaluronic acid or any of your existing skincare. My top tip is to mix your hyaluronic acid with your polyglutamic acid to get the powerhouse. So that's the dynamic duo. That's hydration locked in. So is polyglutamic acid something that you should invest in? Well, absolutely, 1000%. I've offered up the most affordable option that I could find. Look for clean, simple ingredients. Don't opt for anything that's got lots of other things. Polyglutamic acid is the one. Use it with your hyaluronic acid, and it's like putting hyaluronic acid in and then sealing it on top with your polyglutamic acid. Use it with your tretinoin, with all of your skincare ingredients, and let that be the last one before you apply your sunscreen. Let me tell you, it's going to be a game changer for you. You're going to love it under your makeup. It's great under eyes. It really does help diffuse fine lines and wrinkles. Let me know in the comments if you've used polyglutamic acid. I'm linking the one that I'm showing you here. Everything's going to be linked below. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I've chosen this video for you. I go through the most important vitamin C's that you need to know about. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.